So we have some aging buildings. We have an elementary that was built in 1952.
You know, older buildings, there's a lot to maintain, temperature being the most important. In Texas, we almost run HVAC year-round. Even in the winter months, we bring in fresh air, and that actually helps stabilize the air when we heat in the winter. Plumbing's older, your electrical load is older, so everything about the building itself there's more to keep up with. We do have some aging buildings that have original plumbing, that have original electrical.
And we have cracks in our bathroom floors and walls. And then there was a water leak because the foundation shifted and the water seeped up through the bathroom floor, flooded the bathroom, into the hallway, straight to my classroom.
So Cook, being 70+ years old, being built in 1952, I have had classrooms that are either too hot or too cold. It was about 90 degrees in the classroom and I'm sweating. I've had classrooms on the flip side that are too cold and students are wanting to, huddle in their little shirts.
This bond will not only address the age of that building, but the growth that's coming in that part of the town.
Prop A funds 2 new 750 student elementary schools to replace Cook and Girard, a 10 classroom addition, and upgrades to Marty Elementary and other facility improvements.
So early voting is October 20th through October 31st, and Election Day is Tuesday, November the 4th. Jacket fans, Jacket family, please go vote.